This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making steamed prawns in garlic sauce. I have here 500 grams of prawns. Use a pair of scissors and trim off the front part of the prawns, together with the sharp pointy part on top of the head. Then, stick the scissors between the head and the shell and cut along the back of the prawns. I've seen some recipes where they ask you to use a knife to cut through the shell of the prawns. Now, this is pretty dangerous if you do not have a sharp knife. Instead of cutting through the hard shell, the knife may slip and you may cut yourself. For most of us home cooks, we seldom sharpen our knives. So, go with a pair of scissors instead. It's a lot safer. Once you have opened up the back of the prawns with your scissors, then use a knife to cut into the meat. Remove the vein from the prawns, but not the shell. Next, let's make the sauce. Grate or finely chop up 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 6 cloves of garlic. As usual, when you get to the last bit of the garlic, throw it away and use a new one, because you can always buy more garlic, but you cannot buy more fingers. To this, add in the white parts of a spring onion. You can also chop up the green parts of the spring onion for use as garnishing later. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. One tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now, arrange the prawns on a steaming dish. Spoon the sauce onto the top of the prawns and onto the slit that you have made. This will allow the sauce to get into the prawns. Steam the prawns for 4 to 6 minutes, depending on the size of your prawns. But you want to steam it till it turns pink and it's cooked through. The bottom of the head is usually the last part to be cooked. So, check this part to make sure that it has turned pink as well. This is steamed prawns in garlic sauce.